Hey everyone, Tom from Tom's Finds, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Oceas blankets. I am really excited about these. So let me pop this open for you here. I had a chance to actually enjoy them earlier, and wow, these are awesome. Ta-da! So what this is it's a really amazing, comfortable blanket, right? So look at this beautiful fabric here. So it's incredibly warm, but then on the other side, it's totally waterproof. So this is perfect for camping, for picnics, for beach days. We all hate it when we go out there with a blanket or something like that, take it to the beach, especially here in San Diego, and we take that blanket home and it's all sandy, it's wet. Nobody likes that. So this is great. Of course, it still can get a little sandy, but the waterproof, the backside really helps that. So I love this thing. It's super warm. So it's really warm. It's great. It's waterproof. It has a great warranty. This company Oceas, they've just recently sent me some stuff, and I absolutely love it. So this is their larger warm blanket. And this is their amazing little pocket blanket. Check that out. So the pocket blanket, it's got a nice little carabiner, so you can strap this to your backpack, take it with you. This is perfect for just day hikes and things like that. If you want to sit down and enjoy a nice little picnic spot and don't have to worry about wet grass or mud or anything like that, because this little pocket blanket here is actually waterproof. So here it is. In one of my favorite colors, of course. And this is awesome. In the corners, you have little stakes. You can kind of tuck them away there like that. But you've got little stakes for sand, or a sand pocket, so you can fill that with sand so it doesn't blow away in the wind. If you're gonna head on into the ocean or something like that. But this is awesome. Look how big this thing is. And it was all just in this tiny little bag. This tiny little bag. And it's perfect size for 1 or 2 people, going to the beach, enjoying a nice blanket. So I definitely recommend these blankets. I've been searching for a couple good ones to go camping with, to take to the beach, because of course here in San Diego we're at the beach a lot. But highly recommend checking these out. So I'll make sure to post a link below, and I'll see you on the next one.